Hi guys, got some rhododendron seeds here to look at under the microscope. So I've got the originals there, just taken with a normal camera. Next to our 50-cent piece, about an inch across, 2 centimeters. So you can see they're absolutely tiny, just like dust really to the naked eye. You can't really see any detail on these. So I've got them under a cheap USB microscope. So first up, I've got these are taken at around 20 times. So you can see they're very distinctive, quite sort of oblong, and they've got little furry bits on the ends. I'm not sure what those are. They're probably for sticking onto things perhaps, or carrying in the wind as little wings. But yes, quite distinctive. So there's zoomed in a bit further. That's according to the microscope 400 times ish. So you can see they're quite very distinctive. They got the little wavy bits on both ends and quite striated. The seeds themselves quite ridged, but absolutely minuscule, microscopic. So I've got one here that's germinating. It's under the 20 times. So you can see when these things emerge, they're absolutely tiny, and they'll put out tiny little leaves, and then they're quite slow growing when they're little.